The Moscow-Tehran axis is the defining adversarial alignment of our era. It must be confronted as such, with the same coherence, the same resolve, and the same transatlantic solidarity that defined the West's finest hour. Ukraine has held the line at enormous cost. Iran is paying an enormous price to break free. The free world has moral, strategic, and historical reason to stand with both. Do not negotiate with the axis of chaos. Confront it. Do not manage the Islamic Republic. End it. Do not wait for a better moment. This is the moment.